Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Mr. Keshav Sham Pakhre, Department of Chemistry, Anandi Peravarani Art, Commerce, Science College, Vaibhavadi. So today we will discuss about the chapter unit number 1, chapter number 1st, lecture 1, molecular symmetry. In this lecture we will cover the topic introduction of molecular symmetry. First point is importance of symmetry in chemistry. The symmetry is the phenomenon of the natural world as well as the world of human invention. In nature, many types of flower, plants, insects, certain fruits and vegetables and a wide variety of microscopic plants and animals exhibit characteristic symmetry. Here are some example of those things. First is the butterfly. If this butterfly we cut into two equal half, the one part is exactly equivalent to the another part. So we can say that the butterfly possesses a symmetry. In a similar way, one of the wonder of the world is Taj Mahal. The built construction, if we cut into two equal halves, then first part is exactly equivalent to the another part. So we can also say that the Taj Mahal possesses the symmetry. So these are the other examples. This is the dog, this is the flower, and this is the piece of a lemon. If we cut all these things into two equal half, we will get the two equivalent parts, and we can say that these things possesses symmetry. Same thing we are going to apply for the molecular structure. Crystalline solid have definite geometrical forms as regular repetitions arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules. The most important use of symmetry in chemistry is in the determination of the structure of molecule. Now we will see the elements and operations of the symmetry. First is symmetry element. Symmetry elements are axis, mirror plane and center of inversion, and that of symmetry operations are identity E, proper rotation, reflection, inversion and improper rotation. Here is one more example of symmetry. The first example showing it possesses symmetry. That means this part is exactly equal to the or equivalent to the another part, that is it possesses symmetry. But in case of this, first part is not matching with another part of this image, so it does not possesses symmetry. A molecule is said to possess symmetry when parts of molecule can be interchanged without bringing about a distinguishable change in the orientation of molecule. For example, hydrogen molecule has two equivalent orientation. Hydrogen molecule, the first hydrogen atom is Ha and a second hydrogen atom is Hb. So if we rotate this molecule by 180-degree rotation, the Ha will replace by Hb and Hb will replace by Ha, and we will get the second orientation of H2 molecule as Hb bond Ha. So these two molecules have distinguishable change. Indistinguishable change, that means we will get the same molecule after 180-degree rotation. That means equivalent molecules are formed after the 180-degree rotation. So we can say this molecule possesses symmetry. Second example of symmetry is pyrene molecule. In pyrene molecule there are three sets of equivalent hydrogen. First set is A. If we cut this molecule in two equal halves, see like this or even like this. So A is exactly equivalent to this A, C is exactly equivalent to this C, and B is exactly equivalent to this B. So in the accompanying structure of pyrene, from such knowledge of equivalent atoms, it is a simple matter to deduce that there can exist only 3 monosubstituted pyrene. So this molecule also possesses symmetry. There are so many uses of symmetry. First is applications of symmetry. We can apply the symmetry to deduce the point group. First is second is structure of molecule. We can find out the structure of molecule. Next is we can classify the molecular structure. We can find out the molecular orbitals of the molecule. We can find out the properties of molecule. Next is we can find out the electronic state and vibrational mode. Next is symmetry element and symmetry operations. First of all, point group. On the basis of symmetry possessed by molecule, they are classified into groups called point group. The symmetry elements are, it is defined as the geometrical identity such as a line, a plane or a point with respect to which one or more symmetry operation may be carried out. These three symmetry elements, that is line, plane or a point with respect to which one or more symmetry operation is important. Next is symmetry operations. It is defined as the action which moves an object into a position indistinguishable from the original one, though not necessarily identical with it. So after changing the position or after moving the object, we will get an indistinguishable original one structure. Then and then only the symmetry operations are possible. In another way, we can say that symmetry operation takes the object molecule into equivalent configuration. We can see the symmetry operation and symmetry element in this example. This is the hydrogen molecule HA and HB. If we rotate this molecule by 180 degree rotation in this way, we will get the second orientation of H2 molecule as HB bond HA. So this is the first orientation and this is the second orientation. Rotation of H2 molecule is called as symmetry operation. So here symmetry operation is of 180 degree rotation, and the rotation axis is called as symmetry element. This is the axis by which the HA and HB are rotated through 180 degree rotation. So this axis is known as symmetry element. Here is the table showing the symmetry element and symmetry operations to specify molecular symmetry. So there are 5 symmetry elements. Here their symbols and here the symmetry operation respectively. We will see one by one. First is the center of symmetry or inversion center, which is represented by symbol I, and the symmetry operation is inversion of all atoms through the center. Second is plane, which is represented by symbol sigma, and the symmetry operation is reflection in the plane. Third is proper axis, which is represented by symbol Cn, one or more rotations by 2 pi by theta, which is equal to n about the axis. Next is the improper axis, which is represented by symbol Sn, one or more repetitions of the sequence rotation by 2 pi by theta, which is equal to n, followed by reflection in a plane perpendicular to the rotation axis. And the last one, identity, which is represented by symbol capital E, that is having the symmetry operation no change. So here we have discussed the introductory part of symmetry, importance of symmetry in chemistry, symmetry elements and symmetry operation, and the definition of symmetry element. So in this video we we have completed the introductory part of molecular symmetry. Thank you.